Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. I am here with a textured stitch. It is named as up and down stitch. It is a combination of single crochet and double crochets. It's a one row repeat. Okay, to make this I'm going to use Alaska Blue Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill hobby store yarn with medium weight 4 and its color code is 2005. It requires an even number of chains to start with or even number of stitches to start with. I shall make the required number of chains and get back to you. I'm ready with 12 chains. So the pattern, we make one double crochet in the second stitch from the hook. And then in the next chain, one single crochet, one double crochet in the next. So pattern repeat is one single crochet, one double crochet. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of the row. I've come to the end of the row here. I'm placing my I've done single crochet in the last but one, so I'm completing it with a double crochet here. Now chain 1 and turn. This is optional. Chain 1 is optional. Now single crochet on DC, double crochet on single crochet of the previous row, again SC DC, alternating, working DC on SC and SC on DC. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. So at the beginning of row 1 we had one turning chain here. We started our stitch in the second stitch. So I have ended here with SC on DC. Now I need to end it here with a DC over here. So it's a one row repeat, chain 1 turn, single crochet in the very first stitch. If you consider chain 1 as single crochet, you can start working from the second stitch onwards. DC on SC, SC on DC. This is how your textured patterns and stitches are created when you are using stitches of two different heights in combination. So continue. This is one row pattern repeat. You start with SC, end with a DC, start with SC, end with a DC, and when the completed project will look like this. So it's reversible pattern. So thank you friends for viewing this short video. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon, because as and when we upload new videos, you will be notified of the same.